I'm Dr. Andrea Wolf, a thoracic surgeon in the city, and I found SportsMed PT while looking for a physical therapy place to help me recover from a pelvic fracture. I was training for the Boston Marathon, and I developed a stress fracture of my pelvis and was told I can't run on land. And at that time I was devastated, thinking I wouldn't get to do the Boston Marathon. And a friend of mine told me about the Alter G as an option for training and for recovering. And I found SportsMed PT had the Alter G. So I came to SportsMed PT on a Saturday morning, and the people here were amazing. From the moment I called, from the people I talked to on the phone, they were very interested in helping me. And I met Edith, the physical therapist who's been taking care of me for the last 4 months, and she was outstanding. And that was what persuaded me to stick with SportsMed PT. It's very space age, but what I can say about how it feels is that when I was trying to run on land, especially early on in my injury, I clearly couldn't. Within 20-30 minutes, I was in extreme pain and hobbling for days. Whereas when I adjusted my body weight on the Alter G, I was able to run without pain. And in fact, I was able to run faster without pain. And it completely changed my training and my program so that I was able to do what I needed to do fitness-wise without hurting myself. And so it's a little weird. You zip yourself in, it gets really warm, it kind of lifts you up, and there's this buoyancy. But it's amazing because I was able to slowly increase the amount of my own body weight I was using over a kind of 2-month duration and build it up safely so that I was able to run and train without hurting myself. I would recommend anyone come to SportsMed who has any type of injury. I think the physical therapy and the care here is outstanding and very thorough, but specifically for intense athletes, runners, people who have injuries, or people who have recurrent pain, I think it's an outstanding program, both with the Alter G and the specific strength training that the therapists do to really help you recover and safely get back in the game. I mean, when I went to my doctor and she diagnosed the stress fracture, she told me if I had tickets to fly to Massachusetts, I should cancel them because it was out. And when I came back to her 6 weeks later, she said, I think you can do this. And the program at SportsMed PT enabled that.